Hi everyone, I'm making this video to show how to fix this washing machine. This is a General Electric Hydrowave, and that's what it looks from the inside, and that's what it looks right here. And the reason I'm making this video is I had a hard time fixing this washing machine. I don't have a lot of experience with washing machines, and I took out, the problem was it wasn't agitating or spinning at all, like it wasn't doing anything. I would hear a noise, but the motor wasn't even working at all. And it has this kind of motor, so it wasn't working at all. I'm just trying to show you the motor. This motor right here wasn't doing anything, wasn't moving, wasn't doing anything. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos and went online, and I changed the lid switch, this one right here, which didn't do anything. I also got a new motor, but that wasn't the problem. And the issue was this part right here. This I think it's bright red and white, and it's called the thermal fuse, and it comes in a bag like this. Maybe I'll leave like this in the description below, the part and everything. And basically what you have to do is take the electric tape, I'm guessing you would have something like this, and just cut it, like cut this wire, and you have to use the new wire in this kit right here with the like wire nuts. They provide small wire nuts, and you have to crimp the wire nuts, the new ones. And I use this kind of tool. I didn't have this, so like if anyone wants to use, I got it from like the hardware store, and it worked fine. So after I did that, it started working, and the motor worked, and it's now working fine. But I just wanted to share this video because it took me a while to figure this out, and hopefully it will help someone out. All right, thank you everyone. Bye.